Yo, what's up everybody? It's Sarah Paytech here. And if you're anything like me, you practically live online. We're shopping for everything these days, from the latest tech to, groceries, all at the speed of a click. But with all these online stores, there's one thing they all have in common: payment gateways. These are the unsung heroes of e-commerce, the tech that makes sure your money gets where it needs to go safely and securely. Now, you might not think too much about payment gateways, but trust me, the right one can make or break your online shopping experience. A smooth, secure checkout, that's the good stuff. Getting bogged down with confusing interfaces and slow processing times? Yeah, nobody's got time for that. That's why I'm diving deep into the top 5 payment gateways of 2024. We're talking cutting-edge features, seamless integration, and next-level security. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just starting out, this video's for you. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. First up, we're taking a look at PayNext. And let me tell you, this one is all about speed and simplicity. I mean, we're talking about a payment gateway that's designed to make your life easier, and that's something I can always get behind. So what makes PayNext so special? Well, for starters, it's got this incredibly intuitive interface that's super easy to use. Seriously, even if you're brand new to online shopping, you'll be navigating this like a pro in no time. They've stripped away all the unnecessary clutter and confusion, giving you a clean, streamlined experience. But it's not just about looks, though. PayNext is packing some serious tech under the hood. They've got this feature called one-click checkout, and it's a game changer. Basically, once you've set up your account and saved your payment info, you can check out with just a single click. No more filling out those tedious forms every time you want to buy something. And speaking of security, PayNext has got you covered there too. They use state-of-the-art encryption to protect your data, so you can shop with confidence, knowing your information is safe. Plus, they've got robust fraud detection systems in place to prevent any unauthorized transactions. But here's the thing I really appreciate about PayNext. They're not just focused on the buyer's experience, they're also thinking about the merchants. They've made it super easy for businesses to integrate PayNext into their websites, and their transaction fees are some of the most competitive in the industry. Overall, PayNext is a solid choice for anyone looking for a fast, secure, and user-friendly payment gateway. It's got all the essentials covered, and they're constantly innovating and adding new features. Definitely one to keep an eye on. Now let's talk about security, because let's be real, that's a major concern when it comes to online payments. And when it comes to keeping your money safe, SecurePay is in a league of its own. This is like the Fort Knox of payment gateways, folks. I'm talking about multi-factor authentication, tokenization, and advanced fraud detection algorithms, all working together to create an impenetrable fortress around your transactions. They've literally thought of everything to keep your data secure, from the moment you enter your payment info to the time it reaches the merchant. But here's the thing that surprised me about SecurePay. They managed to achieve this level of security without sacrificing user experience. A lot of times, security features can make things more complicated, but SecurePay somehow found a way to make it all feel seamless. Their interface is surprisingly intuitive, even with all the extra layers of security. They walk you through each step of the process, making it clear what information they need and why they need it. And once you've gone through the initial setup, it's smooth sailing from there. One of the things I really appreciate about SecurePay is their commitment to transparency. They provide detailed information about their security measures, so you know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. They even have a dedicated security center on their website where you can learn more about their protocols and best practices. Now, all this security does come at a slight premium. SecurePay's transaction fees are a bit higher than some of the other gateways on this list. But honestly, for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your transactions are ironclad, I think it's worth every penny. If security is your top priority, and let's be real, it should be, then SecurePay is the way to go. They've set the gold standard for online payment security, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. So, you've got your online store up and running, but you're tired of juggling multiple platforms and systems? Yeah, I feel you. That's where OmniTransact comes in. This payment gateway is all about integration, bringing everything together in one centralized location. We're talking seamless integration with all major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, you name it. And it's not just limited to shopping carts. OmniTransact also plays nicely with your CRM, accounting software, and other business tools, streamlining your entire workflow. This kind of integration can be a game changer for businesses, especially those operating on multiple platforms. It eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors, saving you time and money in the long run. But OmniTransact is more than just a connector. They also offer a wide range of features designed to enhance the checkout experience for your customers. We're talking about recurring billing, subscription management, and customizable checkout pages, all designed to make it easier for people to do business with you. And let's not forget about reporting and analytics. OmniTransact provides detailed insights into your transactions, so you can track your sales, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your business. One thing to keep in mind is that OmniTransact's pricing structure can be a bit complex, depending on your specific needs and the number of transactions you process. But they do offer flexible plans to accommodate businesses of all sizes. If you're looking for a payment gateway that can integrate with your existing systems and provide a comprehensive suite of features, then OmniTransact is definitely worth considering. It's the glue that holds your e-commerce ecosystem together. For all you entrepreneurs and businesses out there with global ambitions, listen up, because GlobePay is about to change your world. This payment gateway is all about breaking down geographical barriers and making it easy to do business across borders. We're talking about support for multiple currencies, so your customers can pay in their local currency, which is huge for building trust and reducing cart abandonment rates. Nobody wants to deal with those pesky foreign transaction fees, right? But it's not just about currencies. GlobePay also offers localized payment methods, catering to the specific preferences of customers in different regions. So whether it's Alipay in China, Klarna in Europe, or something else entirely, GlobePay has got you covered. And here's the thing that really impressed me. GlobePay has built a robust network of banking partners around the world, ensuring fast and reliable transactions, no matter where your customers are located. They've really gone the extra mile to streamline the cross-border payment process. But GlobePay isn't just for big businesses. They offer flexible plans to accommodate businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. So whether you're just starting out with international sales or you're a seasoned global player, GlobePay can help you expand your reach and connect with customers around the world. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that international transactions can sometimes come with additional fees from your bank or credit card company. So it's always a good idea to check with them beforehand to avoid any surprises. If you're looking to expand your business internationally or simply want to offer your customers more payment options, GlobePay is the way to go. They've made global commerce a whole lot easier, and they're paving the way for a more connected and inclusive digital economy. Now for the final payment gateway on our list, let's step into the future with AIWallet. This one is for all the tech enthusiasts out there, the ones who are always on the lookout for the next big thing. AIWallet is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence in the world of payments. We're talking about AI-powered fraud detection that learns your spending habits and can flag any suspicious activity in real time. It's like having a personal security guard for your wallet, constantly monitoring for any signs of trouble. But AIWallet is more than just a security tool. They're also using AI to personalize your payment experience. Imagine a payment gateway that knows your preferred payment methods, understands your spending patterns, and can even predict your future purchases. That's the power of AIWallet. They're also exploring the potential of blockchain technology to enhance security and transparency in transactions. While still in its early stages, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and payments, and AIWallet is at the forefront of this innovation. Now, because AIWallet is still relatively new, they're constantly evolving and adding new features. They're a company that's not afraid to experiment and push the boundaries, and I'm really excited to see what they come up with next. If you're looking for a payment gateway that's at the cutting edge of technology and constantly innovating, then AIWallet is definitely one to watch. They're shaping the future of payments, and I can't wait to see where they take us. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 payment gateways of 2024. We've covered everything from speed and simplicity to security and global reach, and even dipped our toes into the world of AI and blockchain. It's clear that the world of payments is evolving at an incredible pace, and these companies are leading the charge. Now, choosing the right payment gateway for your business or personal use depends on your specific needs and priorities. Whether you value security above all else, need a platform that can integrate with your existing systems, or you're looking to expand your business internationally, there's a payment gateway out there for you. Be sure to do your research, compare features and pricing, and choose the one that best fits your requirements. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and keep on shopping. And